How to open 3DM file and render. After opening your dashboard, click on RJ Viewer. Click on the Upload button. Select your file. Open the file. Once uploaded, the rendered version of the jewelry will appear on the website. We offer two video presets, a 360-degree view and an ease-in and ease-out view. Click on the Environment button. You can adjust the reflection intensity and change the background color. In the Colors section, you can change the color of the metal to options like white gold, rose gold, or yellow gold. In the Gemstone Colors section, you can change the color of the gemstones. You can change the export quality of the final output, selecting from 1K to 4K resolution. The output of your files will be automatically saved in your device.